Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to present material about countable nouns. My name is Miftahur Rahman, NIM 63250934. In the first slide, we talk about characteristics of countable nouns. Countable nouns have several characteristics. They can be singular and plural. They can use e or en. They can use numbers such as 1, 2, or 3, and they can also be asked using how many. For example, a cat, chance cats, a book, 3 pens, and how many books do you have? In the next slide, these are example of countable nouns. The word book becomes books. The word pen becomes pens. The word student becomes students. The word bags becomes bags. Most countable nouns become plural by adding s. However, some nouns use es. In the next slide, these are example of countable nouns. The word book becomes books. The word pen becomes pens. The word student becomes students. The word bags becomes bags. Most countable nouns become plural by adding s. However, some nouns use es. Singular and plural. Singular nouns are used for one object, such as a cat, a book, and a student, while plural nouns are used for more than one object, such as cats, book, and students. Usually, plural nouns are formed by adding s or es at the end of the word. Example: in the sentence, I have a cat, the noun cat in the singular because it saw on one object, while in the sentence, I have 2 cats, the noun cats is plural because it saw more than one object. So, the nouns change based on the quantity. In this explanation, if we say a book, it means only book. But if we say books, it means more than one book. This is important because English grammar changes depending on the quantity. Conclusion: countable nouns can be used with number to book, can be changed into plural forms using a and en. We use a before word that begin with consonant sounds, such as a book and a cat, while we use an before word that begin with vowel sounds, such as an apple and as egg. These articles are only used for singular countable nouns. Using how many. We use how many to ask about the quantity of countable nouns. For example, how many books do you have? And the answer can be, I have 3 books, because countable nouns can be counted using number. The conclusion is, countable nouns are nouns that can be counted correctly. They can use number and articles such as a or en, and they can change into plural forms. For example, book change books, and apple change apples. The referred understanding countable nouns can help you make correct English sentence. That is all for my presentation about countable nouns. Thank you for the attention, and I hope this presentation can help everyone understand countable nouns better. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Miftahur Rahman, NIM 63250934. In this video, I would like to tell you about a journey that I am planning with the Moscow youth community in my neighborhood. The idea for this activity began when one of the parents of our Moscow youth member offered to cover all the expense for our trip to a villa. However, he gave us one condition. He wanted the activity to be useful and relate to the interests of the Moscow and the youth community around us. After discussing it together, we start planning several positive activities related to the Moscow. Then, we created a proposal containing the goal of the activity, the schedule, and the activity that we will do during our stay at the villa. Some of the planned activity include group discussing, praying together, sharing session, and activity to strengthen teamwork among the Moscow youth members. Thankfully, our proposal has been approved and now we are preparing everything carefully. The trip is planned to take place on the 15 to 17 of this month. In my opinion, this journal is not only about having fun or going on vacation, but also about learning how to work together, become more responsible, and strengthening the relationship between the member of the Moscow youth community. I hope this activity will become a fun and meaning experience for all participants. Thank you for watching.